Hello, my name is Arnold Steven Alfonso Garzón. I am industrial engineering student. I am 23 years old. Currently work as mechanical assistant NES. As well the following question what were you done last Christmas? Chatting with family, you are going to imagine you adding the una chef. You dog, do you remember the dispute brought about the activity 2? Yes, empanada. Yo un couscous ere. Yo are going to choose on typical dish from your region. I Pierre tal about the couscous. It is very special for the region. The ingredients are dough, empanadas, oil, meat, dal, sal. Preparación. Prepare the douche, cool meats, cook potato, frit in oil, inhibited with what? Listen to me three from falls. Empanadas from the Cauca region, crispy and delicious.